Hi everyone, we're going to solve each equation, check our solution, and we're going to use properties of equality. These are the three problems we're going to do. I go a little faster on the last two. So you might want to try the last two, after you watch the first problem. So here's our first problem. And the first thing we're going to do is to isolate our k value. We're going to subtract k from both sides of the equation. That's called the subtraction property of equality. So we're going to get 10 plus 0 equals, you have 4k minus a k, which is 1k, that's 3k, and bring down the 20. All right. Now we're going to add 20 to both sides. Our zero property of arithmetic says I can get rid of that. So we're going to put plus 20. And we're going to get 30 equals 3k. And this would be plus 0. But again, our zero property of addition says we can delete that part. All right. So clearly 3k is 10, because you can say 3 times 10 is 30. However, you want to use your, we already used the addition property, so we're going to use the division property, divide both sides by 3 to isolate the k. That equals 1, so you get k equals, and that's 10. Now we're going to check our solution using the substitution property. So for that, everywhere there's a k, I'm going to put 10. And see if these two sides equal each other. So on the left-hand side, we get 20. On the right-hand side, we get 40 minus 20, which is 20. So since they both equal each other, our solution set is 10. Okay, on the next one, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to add k, and to save time, what I'm going to do is add 30 to both sides. So we're doing 2 steps here. Now, 10 plus 30 is 40. Negative k plus k is 0. 4k plus k is 5k. And negative 30 plus 30 is 0. So with the zero property of addition, we're going to get 40 equals 5k. Use your division property, divide both sides by 5. Therefore, you get 8 equals k, or the solution set is 8. All right, now let's check our solution by our substitution property. So everywhere there's a k, I'm going to put 8. We have another k, I'm going to put 8 here. So let's see, we have 10 minus 8 is 2. And here we have 32 minus 30. Well, 32 minus 30 is 2. So both sides do equal each other. So our solution set is 8. And the last one, let's see what's going on with this. Let's go ahead and add 4k, the addition property of equality. And let's go ahead and subtract 10 from both sides using the subtraction property. So we get 0 plus 3k equals 0 minus 24. So basically, with the zero property of addition, we have 3k equals negative 24. Using your division property, you divide both sides by 3. So you get k equals negative 8, or your solution set is negative 8. Now let's check our solution by our substitution property. So we have 10 minus, you can write it this way, I'll write it this way, negative 8 equals negative 4 times negative 8 minus 14. So, let's see. This can be written as, you could put parentheses here. Two negatives make a positive. So you have 10 plus 8. We're trying to see if these two sides equal each other. 10 plus 8 is 18. And this is going to be two negatives make a positive. So that's 32 minus 14. And 32 minus 14 is 18. So it does check out. Therefore, our solution set is negative 8. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.